Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Chatbase. Now Chatbase has AI agents for magical customer experiences because Chatbase is a complete platform for building and deploying AI agents for your business to handle customer support and drive more revenue. You can build your agents with no credit cards required. That's right. Trusted by about 9,000 plus businesses worldwide. Now, it is a complete platform for AI support agents. It is designed for building AI support agents that solve your customers' hardest problems while improving business outcomes. So it is purpose-built for LLMs, designed for simplicity, engineered for security. How does it work? It has an end-to-end solution for conversational AI. With Chatbase, your customers can effortlessly find answers, resolve issues, and take meaningful actions through seamless and engaging AI during conversations. So just build and deploy your agents. Then the agent solves your customers' problems by asking questions and accessing external systems to gather data and take action. Refine this ensures your agent is improving over time, so it's always refined and optimized. Then it will seamlessly escalate certain queries to human agents when the AI agent is unable to solve the problem or when issues require human review. And lastly, it's review analytics and insights. So because the agent talking with customers all day, it's able to gather important insight and analytics about your customers and businesses. So the features are perfect customer facing AI agents. That's right. So you get to sync with real-time data, take actions on your systems, compare AI models, smart escalation, advanced reporting. Works with your tools. It also works with your tools like the Strip, Salesforce, Messenger, Zapier, WhatsApp, and the rest of them. You also get API, white labels, and it's always improving. So it syncs with your system and learns from previous interactions. So we can explore by discovering the chat-based platforms. So we have Playground, we have analytics, activities, sources, and actions. So it works like the best customer service agent. That's one of the benefits. It's designed to work with your existing tools and workflows, get personalized answer, instant actions, emphatic and on-brand, smart escalation, and observability. So you can unlock the power of AI-driven agents. Some advantages: unlock the power. You can connect channels to tell you when it's a violation detected, and it has guide rails that are activated. Some people have a lot of great things to say about it. When it comes to security, it has enterprise-grade security and privacy. So your data stays yours. It has data encryption and secure integration. Make customer experience your competitive edge. Use Chatbase to deliver exceptional support experiences that set you apart from the competition. What are you waiting for? Try it for free today.